DipWell.com.
Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all my pedicures before I start on my dip set. And I just used this little Conair thing that I got for Christmas. I put some castor oil in there for bubbles. I used my heel and toe stuff to exfoliate my feet. And I also have some Castro stuff that I use too that I'm going to pop up on the screen right now. And here's my Madam Glam polishes that I'll be using on my toes and my favorite Model 1 top coat. Okay, y'all, here's my DipWell kit and it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Don't forget to watch my review at the end. Now I'm just showing you what I'm going to be using, my base and stuff like that. And of course I'm using the orange because my toes are orange. This is the base and the finishing powder. It's just a clear. And yeah, I already did the thumb. So y'all really not gonna see like me doing the whole thing because I don't have a tripod anymore. So it's not like you would get the I feel like this is not a good angle for you guys to see. But hopefully y'all get the idea because this is really a review. It's not really me teaching anybody or anything like that. You can see. And yeah, look how pigment that is though, y'all. Do y'all see that? Do you see it? It's beautiful. So if y'all can see, I'm not putting it all the way to my cuticles because I want it to be thin where my cuticles are and just look a little natural, which it's not gonna look all the way natural, but you get what I'm saying. It's so cute. I'm just so happy with this color. Like, I want to buy so many colors, I'm telling you. So I'm finished with that. Now I'm about to get ready and start dipping them in the clear just so I can protect my nail color and stuff like that. That's so pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love it. But I did want to come on and let y'all know that I will be having like a nail area tour. I am about to get ready and move. So that'll be coming out within the summertime, you know, a couple of months, probably less than that. I want y'all to see where I'm doing my nails at, you know, because this is something that relaxes me and I love it. I love it. I've been doing them for about 2 years now. I haven't been recording it, but I think this is like one of my things that help me relax. Just to sit down and be able to do my nails and be creative and put all kind of sparkles and rhinestones and flowers. Yeah. So continue watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished. I'm using the activator. This is just to harden it. Your next clip, you guys are going to see the finished results. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the review. What's up, YouTube? This the only angle I can get y'all in where it have my whole face. I'm struggling over here because I do not have a tripod. But anyways, here's my nails. I'm just showing y'all like a quick, I don't know, real time, I don't know. But anyways, as far as shipping and stuff like that, everything was good. The only thing, it did take a long time due to the coronavirus or whatever, but I'm not tripping. Communication was good because I did reach out to them and they reached back out to me twice. I'm really anxious to buy more colors. Like, I really want to buy more colors right now, but I'm gonna wait. I still got some colors I need to use, so I'm gonna use them in my next video showing you another color from them. I will be giving you an update on these. So thanks for watching. Peace.